Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanelli, your Affilio hero, and I'd like to tell you that success leaves clues. And the reason I want to bring that up is because it's going to be a perfect example of what you're going to learn in this video when it comes to Clickbank and how to make money. The cool thing is that even if you're just getting started or you don't have a lot of experience, or maybe you do have a lot of experience but you need some more guidance, this is really going to help you out because you can actually model what's going to be already working. A lot of times I notice is that sometimes people will know what to do, but they need a little bit more guidance. Maybe they're not sure if it's going to be working. They don't have a lot of confidence, but we can actually go out there and see what people are promoting, how they're doing it. It's going to allow you to kind of at least start with a leg up, so to speak, because you're getting an idea of what people are utilizing right now. You can always make changes from there, but it's going to give you an amazing starting point. So right now we were on Clickbank, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is kind of look through these offers. There's a lot of great ones. This one's kind of newer. Cinderella Solution doing very well, as you can see, with the 411 gravity. But aside from that, in the previous video, I talked about a few of these that are doing really well, like Flat Belly Fix is one of them, especially the battery reconditioning. So what we're going to be doing here is utilizing Bing.com, which is pretty much like a search engine, and a lot of the advertisements that are placed there, okay? Just so you can actually see affiliate marketing in action, and that's gonna give you an amazing starting point. So what I did is already go to Bing.com, and anytime you're promoting an offer, what I recommend you doing is going to say Bing.com and type in a keyword that's going to be related to the offer that you're gonna be promoting. So with this one right here, we had the battery reconditioning course, which is doing very well, around $50 per sale, nice gravity, so on and so forth. So I did how to recondition batteries. So there's actually two here that I already looked at, and what I want to do is open them up in a new window. Sorry, whoever that is, I owe you $1, how much that costs, but this is pretty much how simple affiliate marketing can be. Now, this is going to be an affiliate marketing bridge page, or what's also referred to as a pre-sell page, but literally all it does is kind of talk about it, kind of scroll through. It's not going to expire then, but people will do what they need to do. Join happy customers, only $27, order now. And as you can see, there's not a lot going on right here. In fact, a lot of these resources here are pretty much given to you. This is pretty much, I think, the course, and then the bonuses that already come along with it. It's saying that you're getting a nice discount, okay, which is cool. So if someone already knew about this, or if they didn't know about this, there would be more incentive for them to check it out because they're getting a special discount. So one thing, I'd probably add a call to action much higher, so like right here. So this is what's referred to as above the fold. So you pretty much need to scroll down in order to click on the next button. But like I said, they talk about what it is, a summary. Okay, then there's that. And then, of course, let's click on order now. And it goes actually straight to the order form. Okay, so that's how that one works. Very simple stuff. And the reason I bring this up, let's see if I can, go back. This is what a pre-sale page looks like. So they're not actually collecting the email address here. And there's actually ways to find out how long this ad has been running for, like using programs. Like if you had one of those, if this had been running for, say, like, 7 months and still, sending money to it, that probably means it's profitable. So that's always a good sign, but that'll be another video. Let's look at this one right here. Okay, so here we have actually a survey pre-sell. Okay, so it says, do you know anyone who works for blah, blah, blah? Let's just say no. Let's just say no. Let's say yes. Do you need to replace it? Sure. This can be made in ClickFunnels, stuff like this. Congratulations. It's going to show a presentation. These are just micro commitments. Usually what I like doing is getting someone to say yes, yes, yes. And then, of course, you do I agree. They would, click on that. And this is probably going to be their affiliate link. And here it goes, straight to the VSL. And this is the sales page. Obviously, when you go through this, it's going to have like a drop down for a buy now once it gets to a specific amount of time. But that's another great example of how someone is promoting that using a nice little pre-sale page. And as you'll see with that one, they aren't collecting an email address. So they're pretty much going straight for the sale. So if this one had been running for a long time too, that means it's probably profitable, okay? And it's very easy to model things like that. I'm not saying copy them exactly. That's never a good thing, but you can make a pre-sale page like that. You can make a quiz lander and so on and so forth, all right? So that's just one example when it comes to how to recondition batteries. Another very popular offer that I talked about in another video is going to be Flat Belly Fix. So I did Flat Belly Fix review. And of course, at the top, we have one ad here, one ad here, one ad here. These are probably doing reviews, but I checked out this one, so let's open this up. Just to show you how simple this is. Once again, so Flat Belly Fix, plus these are the bonuses you get, crossed off the price, $27 today. visit official site. As you can, you can't see it, but underneath where I'm recording, it actually shows the Clickbank hop link there. So that's their affiliate link. Why they should try it, it kind of looks like a sales letter, except it has all the bonuses. This is a very good bridge page. Okay, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, everything today, only that much, and frequently asked questions. And if you click on order now, it's probably going to be going to Clickbank along with their discount. Okay, and instead, this is actually another cool reason to do this. It goes to the actual order page instead of going to the sales page. So that's something you would need to test as an affiliate, but that's also something cool to notice, okay? These are all a lot of great things that you can kind of spy on what affiliates are doing, and then of course you test it yourself to see what works best for you, okay? Let's do one more offer. This is an oldie but a goodie, okay? The Venus Factor. I used to promote this on Bing Ads, did very well with it. I'm not sure how well it converts now because I know other offers are doing really well, but just to check it out, let's go to this one. It also says official site. I don't know if they're allowed to put that, but once again, look how simple this is. This page right here. You can do this with ClickFunnels. You can do this with HTML, optimized press, lead pages, whatever it's going to be. But it says Venus Factor is a weight loss program created to help women shed pounds. 60% off. So someone probably knows it's going to be something they can invest in. Blah, blah, blah. And then let's go buy now. And here it goes to the VSL. Okay, I'm just going to exit out of this. Okay, so that's very simple. And then discount. Let's see this. What is this? Discount factor. I don't know if that's for Venus Factor. Yeah, that's for business. Let's do like review. That's just the regular one. Shark Tank Keto. Let's do Venus Factor. Weight loss. Nope, that's something different. So let's go back to this. Let's look at one more. Like unlock. Let's see. Let's do something with hip flexor. Let's do stretches. Okay, something similar to that. Hip pain treatment. Hip flexor stretch. What was this called again? Unlock your hip flexors. Just to look for keywords that what's it called? Affiliates might be using. So right here, let's try this. Okay, that's paused. This is actually looks like a pre-sale page. It's done on an Amazon page here. I'm not sure if this looks like they just modeled the sales letter here. Either that or they direct linked. So not much going on with that one. Let's exit out. Let's do, okay, this is the actual sales letter. Yeah, that other person pretty much modeled the sales letter exactly. I'm not sure if you're allowed to do that. There's always some good things to learn from these. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, they're direct linking literally this person. So that's another cool thing. So even though there's no pre-sale page, with Bing you can actually direct link unless something has changed. People are doing it here. I'm not sure if they're cloaking or whatever, but you can actually see what is working. Like literally this person like here and then one of the other ones, I think both of these are direct linking with their affiliate link. And if they're up here, if they've been up here a while, they're not collecting emails and they've been going for a good amount of time, that probably tells you that there's a good chance that they are profitable. Okay. This really depends on what keyword you're going to be, bidding for and so on and so forth. But all in all, you can pretty much look for keywords that are going to be related to the offer that you want to promote and then go from there. Like I talked about, a lot of these do very well. Unlike your hip flexors, Ted's woodworking has been around for a while. Battery reconditioning is very popular. Flat belly fix is very popular. And of course, this one's kind of newish, but it's, as you can see, there's a lot of people going after it. I assume it converts very well. But aside from that, that's the video. That's how you can literally spy on what's working and then model it for yourself. And you can use pretty much any type of traffic source. However, if you're looking to do paid offers in Clickbank along with Facebook, I recommend checking out the free training down below. It's going to be from the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world. So if you haven't seen that, I highly recommend it. It's definitely going to be worth your time. And that's pretty much it. Once again, I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy that training down below. I know you're going to really love it. Have a great day.